Chiang Rai, Thailand, April 20th, 2025. A powerful storm swept through northern Thailand on Friday, leaving a trail of destruction in its path. The storm struck the provinces of Chiang Rai, Chiang Mai, and Udon Thani, causing widespread power outages, destroying buildings, uprooting trees, and injuring several people. In Chiang Rai's Mai Sui district, the storm toppled thousands of trees and high-voltage power poles, cutting off electricity to several communities, including Doi Chong and Ban Seng Jaron. According to the Region 3 Public Relations Department, the storm landed on April 20th. Emergency crews worked quickly to restore electricity, with power returned to most areas by 4 p.m. In Chiang Mai, strong winds and heavy
มีต้นไม้บังไว้รุนแรงมากเลย
Rain battered the Don Quay sub-district of Mae Rim. A large tamarind tree was uprooted and fell on a restaurant, seriously injuring a 3-year-old girl and slightly injuring a 44-year-old woman. 11 cars and 3 motorbikes were also damaged by falling trees. Rescue teams responded immediately, providing first aid and transporting the injured to Nakhon Ping Hospital. Cleanup efforts began soon after, with emergency teams clearing blocked roads and coordinating with the electricity authority to shut off power in dangerous areas. Several homes were damaged or destroyed, and many residents were forced to evacuate. The local government has mobilized support to help families affected by the storm. In Udon Thani province, a sudden storm with strong winds and heavy rain caused significant damage in just 15 minutes. About 410 houses were affected across multiple districts. A 73-year-old woman was injured when her home collapsed while she took shelter from the storm. Damage reports include 50 houses in Bang Tather, 60 in Ban Chong, 80 in Tonin, 140 in Bang Takian. 80 power poles were knocked down along the Bang Mae Bang Sam highway. A chicken farm in Bangkone district was destroyed, killing over 6,000 chickens. More than 100 electric poles were damaged in an industrial areas, resulting in major power outages. The Thai Meteorological Department has warned that 47 provinces, including Bangkok, may continue to experience thunderstorms and strong winds over the weekend. Residents are urged to stay indoors during storms and avoid risky areas like beaches and flood-prone zones. In southern Thailand, rain is expected to cover 60% of the region, especially in Phang-nga, Phuket, Krabi, Trang, and Sadang. Sea waves could reach over 2 meters during storms. People are advised to avoid sailing in rough seas. Local governments, emergency teams, and volunteers are working around the clock to provide aid, assess damage, and restore services. The Chiang Mai governor has directed officials to prioritize first aid, rescue, and cleanup operations. Authorities continue to monitor weather developments and are encouraging residents to stay alert, take necessary precautions, and follow updates from the Thai Meteorological Department. This is Major Reality TV News.
โอ้จากผู้เที่ยวพายุทุกคนแรงมากเกิดเรื่องสวยครับสวยแล้ว